Christmas Eve, 2008. John took his guitar out, so Dylan decided he needed to join in the song. Now he's not playing. There he goes. He's playing a song with John. Nice song, Dill.
Yay!
That was very, very nice. Again. Can you sing words? You sang Twinkle, Twinkle. It's our Christmas tree. Here's my video. Tucker's sleeping. Wonder what you are. Very good. What a nice song. Daddy on the guitar and Dylan on the xylophone. And Tucker's just sleeping through it all. What a good boy. Okay, bye-bye.